Freelancing in 2026 is a massive opportunity, but to win, you need the right approach. Here's a complete guide to starting and growing your freelance business this year. Freelancing has changed. AI didn't replace freelancers, it replaced freelancers who didn't adapt. The ones who win are now the ones who use AI to work faster, think clearer, and deliver better results. So the first thing you need to do is to pick a lane. Choose one clear direction, a skill lane like design or drawing, an industry lane like real estate or fitness, or an outcome lane like I help small businesses get more leads. Pick one lane for 60 days and test it. Next, you'll need to build proof fast. Clients want to see results. Create simple portfolio samples, before and after examples, or even case studies. You don't need real clients to get started, you just need proof of what you can do and something that you can show for. Step 3 is about packaging your offer. Your offer should answer these 3 things. What problem do you solve? How fast do you solve it? Why should they choose you over an AI tool? Make your offer clear, specific, and outcome focused if you can. Step 4. Pricing in 2026. Stop charging by the hour. Use project packages, value-based pricing, or even monthly retainers. Clients pay for outcomes, not for your time. Step 5. Find clients the easy way. The best system in 2026 is simple. Find businesses missing something obvious. Reach out with a helpful insight or even a resource. Build trust first. This is extremely important, and then sell later. This works better than cold pitching, especially if you don't even know your client. Step 6. Use AI the smart way. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Use it for things like research, drafts, ideas, automation, repetitive tasks, and project structure. You bring creativity. AI brings the speed. Step 7. Build systems early. Freelancers who grow fast use systems. Onboarding flows, templates, automation, content calendars, and repeatable processes. The rule of thumb is if it happens more than once, you need to turn it into a system. Step 8. Add digital products. Freelancing gives you income. Digital products give you freedom. Turn your skills into templates, guides, mini courses, or even swipe files. This creates that extra revenue stream while you sleep. Plus, having a bigger portfolio never hurt anybody. Step 9. Learn high-value skills. Focus on skills that compound. Skills such as knowing how to use AI tools, creating a good strategy, marketing, automation, or even design thinking. Conversation writing is also a really good skill to have, especially going into 2026. These skills stand out. It's not really saturated, it's just evolving. These people who win in 2026 aren't the most talented. They're going to be the ones who adapt the fastest. Start small, stay consistent, use AI, build systems, and create your own opportunities. 2026 is your year, so let's build something great.